shop. It's Monday, the 30th of September, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
That is right. September is over.
Yep.
It's what, about another 5 hours, and September's behind us. We're really sliding into October and fall.
And Halloween.
And got a great break from the temperature. Instead of being 108 heat index today, I think it only got to 99. So cool weather is definitely here. I tell you what, I was ready to put on a parka today. Alrighty, guys. We haven't been here for a couple weeks, and I know you're wondering why. Well, you probably already know that. We were remodeling the first Monday that we missed so we could get out of here and get on vacation. Second Monday, we were on vacation down in the Pensacola area. Had a great time.
Fabulous.
Fabulous time. And we would like to acknowledge our special guest in the shop tonight. Baby Hart is with us tonight, kind of checking out what we do, supervising in the shop this evening, doing a wonderful job as always. We look forward to having her here for at least the rest of the week.
Yes.
Alrighty, guys, let's move on. Alrighty, a little cherry Coke this evening. Not drinking tea, we're doing Coca-Cola, and that is in honor of Jay's absolutely wonderful, absolutely
gorgeous
Coca-Cola machine front cover to a bar. It is a bar. It's not completely done. He has a couple finish up things he wants to do, but you can take that thing out of here anywhere, put it anywhere you want, and somebody's going to say, that's a bar. They are going to notice that is a bar. It really looks good. There's some pictures on Facebook, and I think we're going to use that as the old front cover thumbnail for this video. Really good looking bar. Jakey did a great job on that. Alrighty, guys, also, besides working on the Coke machine to bar, we remodeled the bathroom over at the Yellow House. Got it all put in, the plumbing's in, you can take a shower, you can do whatever else you do in the bathroom. You know what that is. We got to get that done.
Brush your teeth, right?
Put a little piece of sheetrock up. We got to do hang some siding up in there and get it all ready, and a little bit of finish work.
Finish work, like the corner panel, what is it? Molding, that's what it's called.
Light fixture
light fixture.
Put in, but yeah, it's all but done. So that's kind of the big thing from the last couple of weeks, other than the little bit of vacation. We started on the laundry room, kind of started it really in earnest yesterday. Got a couple pieces of sheetrock hung up. The piping was already done when we did the bathroom. So we got another sheet of sheetrock.
Another sheet of sheetrock to put up.
Sheetrock we're going to put up this evening, and try to get that done. We've got to put in the laundry connections, and then put the sink in, set the commode. We got the commode right around in the back seat of the car. Kind of odd riding around with the bathroom everywhere, but anyhow, I got one in the back seat of the old Corolla. But
looks better back there than it does in the front yard.
We hope to be done with that project really kind of by the end of this week. Working on wedding placemats. Red has been busy on wedding placemats, getting those done. Wedding cookies, we like to throw a thank you out to Tangy for finishing up on the wedding cookies. Really,
they look pretty. She did a good job.
Really nice. And Red also organized the show trailer, and we'll talk a little bit more why that is in just a few minutes. But we got the
show trailer
organized.
Figured out where everything is, anyways.
I got the new lights hung up on the tractor. Now, if you remember a couple of weeks ago, maybe about a month and a half ago now, I held up some lights I ordered from Amazon that I'm going to put on the on the tractor. Does a pretty good job of changing night into day. They really do a good job. Got a couple things yet to do on that. We'll talk about that in a minute. The wedding machine to Coke bar, or the wedding machine. I'm not excited.
Coke machine to bar, wedding bar.
Yeah, we've already talked about that, and we worked a little bit with that quarter sawn lumber. By that I mean I've been conditioning that lumber that we talked about, gosh, again, about a month and a half ago. Put it in the kiln. I've been kind of slowly conditioning it. Haven't lost one board that I can tell. There's no checks in it. There's no warpage. There's no nothing. I'm really kind of taking time getting this down. It's such beautiful wood, and it's going to a good friend of mine. I did not want any of the wood to be lost, and right now everything's looking good. We sawed a sycamore log. Now, we come up with some really pretty slabs, and I put one of the slabs on our Facebook page, and the young lady that we are cutting this for, a real special young lady, I think she fell in love with the 3 5/8 inch thick, 22 inch wide, 5 foot long slab we cut.
Yep.
I think she's going to claim that as her own, which is good. We were cutting it just specifically for her. Can't wait for her to come and take a look at it. Right now it's air drying in the yard. I suspect, as dry as it was, that it'll be dry enough in about 2 weeks to go into the kiln. She needs it somewhere around Thanksgiving. That'll give me about 5 weeks to slowly bring it down to the kiln. I think we're going to be right on time with that.
That'll be good.
So we should have that all done. We cut, and I say we, me and Millhand Michael cut 36, maybe 37. I kind of lost track around that time. 4x4s that range from 6 to 7 foot long for upcoming show for just for the lumber. We'll talk more about that later as things develop. Most importantly, though, what we got done is we had an awesome vacation. It was great. Got down there Thursday morning, got to kind of relax, take it easy. Corey kind of drug us around and showed us a couple of things. He's stuck with the old in-laws for a while. We appreciate that.
We went to every hardware store they had.
Yeah, that's it. Loretta was in heaven. We went to every hardware store I think they had in the Pensacola area. We got to tour Rhiannon's campus. That was really neat. Highlight of the thing, I think, was Sunday, our last day there, and that was the jet skis. Nothing's funnier than old people on jet skis. It was a blast. Permanent smile.
Glad nobody was taking videos, though.
Oh my gosh, but we had a great time on about an hour of jet skiing, which really felt like about 10 minutes. But thank you, Reebok and Corey. We had a great time. All right, guys, let's move on. Cherry Coke is a nice little bit of change. Alrighty, upcoming for Two Dogs. We're going to wire the lights on the tractor. That's all that's left. Hung the lights this weekend. Got to hook the wires. Are already there. Shouldn't take too terribly long. So got to do that. I just wanted to get on the sawmill, so we put all the tools up and got on the sawmill yesterday after we got the lights actually physically hung off. We're going to finish that bathroom. We don't have a choice. Got to finish that bathroom.
Got to finish the bathroom. You got guests coming?
That's it. We're going to finish the laundry room. Now, the laundry room is going to have, of course, the washer and dryer in there. It's going to have probably a drop-down, fold-down table that we may not get to. I don't think we'll get to that now. It's going to, of course, have a commode in there and a big laundry room sink to wash puppy dogs in. So we'll have all that in there. Hope to get the door because we're going to have to custom make a door for that, but we'll see how that works.
I think we'll have to custom make a door frame. I don't know about the door.
I think we'll do a whole door, but I don't know. We'll work on that. We're going to prep for Mule Days. That's right, Mule Days. The 12th of October 2019, our absolute favorite show that we do. We absolutely love
best.
Mule Days. That is the 12th of October
at
2019.
Callaway Plantation, Wilkes County.
Yep.
Or Washington, Georgia.
Yep, and we're going to be there. We are excited. Glad it did not conflict with the wedding because we'd have hated to miss Mule Days. It's going to be a little tight getting there a week before the wedding, but I think we're going to be able to get down. May not have all the stuff we normally bring, but we'll have enough to sell, and we'll have a great time. More importantly, have a great time up there. So if you're in the area,
hopefully by the pig pot.
12th of October 2019, if you're in the Washington, Georgia area, not Washington County, Washington the city, and Wilkes County, stop by and see Two Dogs. We'll be over there by the hog scalding pit. If you ask people where that is, they'll be able to tell you. That's where we always are.
Lots of activities for the kids, lots of fun things. You can watch a forger, you can watch
anything. There'll be
mule pulls and tractor pulls and music and old colonial wear, and it's fun.
Great time. We got to finish all wedding projects, and that's not a want to, that's a has to. That has to. We got 19 days to finish everything.
18 days, because the 19th day we better be putting it out.
That's it. We got 18 days to finish, because 19 days we're going to be dancing right about now. We got to empty the trailer after we get back from Mule Day. So we get
start
back from
loading
Mule Days on Saturday. Probably start taking some of it out Saturday night, empty it out Sunday, so we can start putting wedding stuff in there and get ready, because we're going to start decorating wedding Wednesday.
Thursday. I don't know if we'll be decorating
but we'll be
Wednesday.
Dropping stuff off.
We'll be dropping all the stuff off.
Yeah. Had us starting decorating. We got to get ready for All Hallows Eve. That's right, Halloween's right around the corner. In 30 more days, and we'll be this deep in chocolate.
Yay! My favorite time of year.
And then, guess what? After the wedding, the 20th of October, we start gearing up for Christmas around here.
Oh, yeah.
2 or 3 shows before Christmas. It's been a slow year this year for doing shows. We'd like to get 2 or 3 shows in at Christmas time, if at all possible. Alrighty guys, let's move on. Well, that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
Just gearing up for the wedding, gearing up for the mule days, gearing up for Halloween. We got a lot of stuff to throw into a very short little bitty time. Got company coming in from out of town, so finish the bathroom and kick it into high gear.
All right, looking forward to it. Well, really good. What? Huh? Okay, I'll tell her. All right, Baby Heart wants to throw a special hi out to her mama, Butterbean. Butterbean? Baby Heart says
hi.
All righty, so I guess that really is all about all for this evening, everybody. As always, thank you for watching the video. And remember, we love to see you back in the shop.